Oh my goodness. Was this really produced in Ethiopia? Like, I'm really confused, bruh. To see all the parts and everything being assembled, it's crazy. Can you see the drones? Local family support Destiny will back give to Brown you. Just want to say very big thank you to all my subscribers. If this is the first time joining us on this platform, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below. Well, today we're going to be talking about Ethiopia and the crazy developments just going on up and down in that country, man. Well, for today, man, when I saw the snippet, I was like, okay, let's see what this is all about. Like, I can't literally believe that Ethiopians are making drones. Bruh, if I was told like 4 years back, 5 years back that there will be like a production of drones or cars in Africa, I would be like, what, are you serious? But right now, they're producing cars in Nigeria. We have Inauguration Motors in Nigeria. We have a lot of different type of production in Nigeria. Right now, Burkina Faso is producing cars. Now, Ghana is producing cars. A lot of other African countries, they are producing their own car, indigenous products, right? Right now, Ethiopia just stopped the whole game. Ethiopia, their own type of development is kind of different. Like, you get me? Like, they like to show off. Let's just use that word, man. Seriously. Now, they are producing drones, bruh. When I say drones, I'm not talking about the normal drone you used to play around, to do videos. No, military drones. The type of drones that do kaboof, kaboof. You understand me? But it is what it is. Let's just watch this video and see what it's all about, right? It is what it is. Let's go, let's get it. This is the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, right? Bro, oh my goodness. Was this really produced in Ethiopia? Like, I'm really confused, bro. Skywing. Alright? Wow. This is really a big one, man. Seriously. This is really a huge one. Okay. This is the blueprint, right? Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay. Bro, we don't know what he's saying right here, man. Let me check if they have a subtitle or something. There's no subtitle to this, bro. Man, like, seriously, who would have thought Ethiopians can manufacture drones in their own country? Like, let's say like 2 to 4 years, 5 years back. This is crazy, man. Seriously, this is literally crazy. I don't know what he's saying. I tried to click on the subtitle, but there's no subtitle in English. But this is really huge, man. Seriously, to see this type of stuff happening in Africa, it's something that we all should be proud about, man. Seriously. These are the kind of stuff we import from outside the country and everything. And Ethiopia being a landlocked country, that's another disadvantage. You get me? Because there's another thing I want to bring to you guys' attention. You get me? When you see people, like, when you drive your normal Mercedes-Benz in America, let's say like place like Germany, Europe, or like Germany, Italy, whatever it is, and America, UK. If you see somebody driving that same car in Ethiopia, bro, you better give them their respect, man. Seriously, you better give them their respect, because that same car you were driving in the UK or in America, you get me? When you see somebody in Ethiopia driving that same car as you, bro, it's not the same price. Trust me, it's not the same price. I know what I'm saying. Like, if that person that bought that same car you're driving in the UK should bring that same money he used to buy that car in Ethiopia to your country, bro, it's going. You can literally buy 2 cars with the same money he used to buy that car in Ethiopia. So give them their respect, man. Seriously, it's really crazy, man. I really understand, because Ethiopia, it's a landlocked country. You get me? Anything concerning stuff like import, export, and other kind of stuff, it's gonna be like very difficult. and it has its own disadvantages and everything. So the custom fee will be like, kind of humongous and everything, but it is what it is. This right here is just something new and something different. It's something very, very, very lovely, man. Seriously, big shout out to all Ethiopians out there. I'll just forward this one a bit to see other part of the video, because I don't understand Amharic, man. Seriously, I don't understand Amharic. So I think he's talking about the infrastructure and how they came about the whole production of the drones and everything. But for me, this is really, really crazy to see all the parts and everything being assembled in Ethiopia. It's crazy. Can you see the drones? Wow. These drones are military grade, right? This is crazy, man. Seriously. Whoa. Did you just see what just dropped? I told you guys this was a military drone. These are the type of drones that do the whole kaboof. Man, this is crazy, man. This is literally crazy. First in Africa. Tell me another African country that produce stuff like this. Yes, there are other African countries that produce cars. Like say, let's take Nigeria for example. We have Inauguration Motors, where they produce our own indigenous vehicle. You get me? Inauguration, right? He produce a lot of like SUVs, a lot of different vehicles, man. Seriously. Same goes to Burkina Faso, they just started. Same goes to Ghana, I think Kenya, and I don't know, but there's a lot happening in Africa right now, man. I think Africa is beginning to wake up, you get me? And I'm really loving this whole development and everything. And what I pray is the government should, the government of Africa, like the different governments in different sectors and different countries in Africa should channel the same energy they use in doing infrastructures and everything to the citizen as well. You get me? In terms of jobs, in terms of education and every kind of stuff, so that not just the infrastructure now, the people, you get me? Like there's a lot, man. There's a lot going on in Africa as a whole. There's a lot going on in Ethiopia. There's a lot going on in Nigeria. There's a lot going on in Burkina Faso. There's a lot going on in Gambia. There's a lot going on in Ghana. Like I can keep on going. You get me? Like I know the leaders are not superheroes, but I think the same way we focus on infrastructures and every other thing, we should also focus on the people, the citizens, because it's the citizens that will enjoy the infrastructure that you are putting in place. You get me? So if the citizens are not okay, if the citizens are not well taken care of, who's going to enjoy the infrastructure and everything? I know everything takes time, but I'm just giving my own 2 cents. Big shout out to all Africans out there, man. Seriously, and big shout out to all Ethiopians. You guys are the real kings and the real queen. I just love the different development happening in Ethiopia, man. Seriously, it's just crazy. They had the corridor project. They had the whole different cities. You get me? And Addis Ababa. Now this is crazy, man. Big shout out to all Ethiopians out there, man. But that's it, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below. At least you guys have confirmed that the whole story is true. They are producing drones in Ethiopia, and it is what it is.